Pip install fails for every package, could not find a version that satisfies the requirement. Pip install package name is failing for every package for me. This is what I get. I saw similar questions on Stack Overflow, but they don't seem to be fully related to this one. Also, this post suggests that this might happen if PyPy is down or my IP address is blacklisted. It seems both are not true for my case. Pip shows up to date on running. Pip install upgrade pip.
Upgrade pip as follows. Note, you may need to use sudo python above if not in a virtual environment. What's happening? Python.org sites are stopping support for TLS versions 1.0 and 1.1. This means that Mac OS X version 10.12, Sierra, or older will not be able to use pip unless they upgrade pip as above. Note that upgrading pip via pip install upgrade pip will also not upgrade it correctly. It is a chicken and egg issue. This thread explains it, thanks to this Twitter post. Mac users who use pip and PyPy. If you are running Mac OS X version 10.12 or older, then you ought to upgrade to the latest pip, 9.0.3, to connect to the Python package index securely. And we recommend you do that by April 8th. Pip 9.0.3 supports TLS v1.2 when running under System Python on Mac OS less than 10.13. Official release notes, this URL. Also, the Python status page. Completed, the rolling brownouts are finished, and TLS v1.0 and TLS v1.1 have been disabled. April 11th, 1537 UTC. Update, the rolling brownouts have been upgraded to a blackout. TLS v1.0 and TLS v1.1 will be rejected with a HTTP 403 at all times. April 8th, 1549 UTC. Lastly, to avoid other install errors, make sure you also upgrade setup tools after doing the above.
Support for TLS 1.0 and 1.1 was dropped for PyPy. If your system does not use a more recent version, it could explain your error. Could you try reinstalling pip system-wide to update your system dependencies to a newer version of TLS? This seems to be related to unable to install Python libraries. See Dominic Barton's answer. Apparently pip is trying to access PyPy via HTTPS, which is encrypted and fine, but with an old, insecure, SSL version. Your system seems to be out of date. It might help if you update your packages. On Debian-based systems I try. On Red Hat Linux-based systems. On Mac. You can also try to update OpenSUSE separately,